Okay, in this video I'm just going to cover a topic that a lot of people ask me about Google Analytics for, and that's basically just how to see the visitor counts or the page views for certain URLs. So in the old UA version for this, in the older dashboard, it was what we'd call like the content drill down menu. So we're just going to sort of go back and see how we can look at that. So we're just in the home tab. I'm just using my own website because it's got a few blog posts and things, and there's more kind of URLs going on than some other sites. So what we'll do is if we go into the sidebar, just slides out, we'll go into reports. And then you can see here under lifecycle, we've got all these different options, and they're not too dissimilar from the old ones, but there are things that are named a bit differently. So if we come into the engagement tab here, you can see down here we've now got pages and screens. So if we would click on pages and screens, you can see now it brings up this table of everything. And it's ordered by the most views. You can order it by whatever you want, really, you know, views, users, event counts. We covered event counts in a different video, so I'll link to that up in the top corner. There's a playlist on GA4 on this channel, so you know there'll be a link for that at the end. So if you want to have a look at setting up events, conversions, all that type of stuff, just jump into that playlist and it'll just give you a simple setup for all those things. But in this one, yeah, we're just going to look at this, and you know, you can see on here how many pages we've got. You know, we're 1 to 10 and we've got 170 items, so we can bump this up and kind of trawl through it. But it might be that you just want to have a look, you know, how many people have landed on, say, the contact page or something. So up here where you've got the magnifying glass, you can literally just type in the word contact. And my page is not called that, so it doesn't come up. I think it's called callback. Yeah, request a callback. So you can see on here we've got the views, the users, all the bits we want to know. And like I say, you can look at how to view event counts and things in the other one. And also obviously this is done by date, so you know, if you want to just see it for all of last month or whatever it may be, you can do that. And you can also make comparisons. So we can make a comparison between sorry, I'm always doing this with the dates. I'm halfway through one and halfway through another. We could do, say, August the 1st to August the 31st. So you can see there we're comparing July and August, and then we can hit apply. And you can see like our views are up, but our users are down, and you can see basic comparisons and things like that for our pages. So things like that can be pretty useful. You know, you can drill it down to a specific page. You can look at this, and you can also where this little cross is here, you can actually jump in, and you can do things like. No, sorry, it's not a referrer. You can do traffic source. So you'll be able to do things like the first user source, for example. And that should bring in, yeah, down this column here, you can see the sort of filter I've added in has just broken everything down. So you can see things have come in from Google directly, direct, that could have been newsletters. I don't do newsletter, but it's if somebody types it directly in. We got Bing in there, YouTube. So you can see we can actually do a little bit of filtering as well here, or sort of break it down by another dimension in this. So like I say, some of the things are named a little bit differently to the old UA dashboard, but you can sort of go through, and they've tried to break them down into sort of an intuitive categories. So you should be able to go through and pretty much get all the data that you want out from this section of GA4. So hopefully you found that useful. If you have, give the video a like. If you want to see more content like this, then check out the playlist on this channel for GA4, and please subscribe.